Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are in my kitchen. That is because we are going to be making the mango dragon fruit refresher from Starbucks. This is by far my favorite drink that Starbucks has created. So the first thing that we are going to need is the Welch's dragon fruit mango juice. I found this at Publix. It is on sale for 2 for $5 right now. Next, you're going to need some lemonade. Third, you're going to need some dragon fruit chunks. I found this in the frozen fruit section of Publix. Next, you're going just to need to add the juice and the frozen dragon fruit into a cup. Then after you add it to a cup, you're going to need to go ahead and add your lemonade. First, make sure you shake your lemonade so your lemonade isn't watery. Now that you have added your lemonade, you can mix it. I like to shake it in a martini shaker, and then you're good to go. So with tasting it, I have to say that it is very close to the one that you can get at Starbucks. I actually think the one that I made at home tastes a lot better than the one from Starbucks. So this is fun. If you enjoyed this video and want me to test out any more drinks, just let me know. Love you guys. Bye.